guys, what's up? I just got this lap desk in the mail from Amazon, so I just thought I'd open it up and take a look at it with you, let you know my initial thoughts. We'll look at the size and just the function of everything. All right, so it does all come in one piece, which is nice, so you don't really have to put anything together. It looks pretty well packaged. Got the styrofoam on the corners. We'll just take that off. And then let's cut into this plastic a little bit. I use a pretty large computer, like a laptop, and I think it's a 15 point something inch. And this looks like there's going to be plenty of space for that. So this is the top of it. We've got a handle here, so that makes it easy to pick up and carry if you need to. There is a cup holder, and then I guess you could use this for like an iPad or something, like if you had something. I'm trying to think of what else that might be for. That's probably what I would put there so it can stand up. And then on the bottom, we have these like metal legs. And then they have these like really cushy cushions around the corners. So that's going to keep it from like scratching anything up. Sorry, I kind of drew a blank there. Seems to be pretty well made, like really high quality. Definitely going to get the job done. Yeah, I can definitely see being able to have like my computer here, still have a drink here. I like that there's a cup holder because, it'll help probably prevent knocking things over easily. Plenty of space underneath and, for your legs. And that will allow you to type and work on, for me, I use it. I'm going to be using it for my computer. I suppose it would be a great to be able to write as well. And then, of course, just eat. So if you want like a TV tray sort of thing, as we used to call them, I could see it being used for that too. So anyway, yeah, I like it. It seems really well made. Definitely going to get the job done. Plenty of space here for food. I mean, you could put like a plate and a bowl, multiple items on this. You've got plenty of room. Easy to fold up and put away, and easy to carry with that handle on the side. So yeah, anyway, I hope this was helpful for you, and I hope you have a great day.